Hey guys, so today we're going to restore, these are my personal Jordan 11 Space Jams. I got these back in 2016 when they didn't even fit me. They now start to fit me, and I wore them every single day for school, like every single day for around 2 years. They're pretty trash. A lot of it is just dirt, like actual dirt, and a lot of it's just creases and stuff. And if you can't see, a lot of the shoe is like fraying and stuff. So yeah, these are some beat shoes. I'm gonna clean this one first. So yeah, I'm gonna go straight into it in 3, 2, 1.
So I can explain, if you actually want to do this, go sole up, but I kind of forgot, so I'll just let this play. There's a sole clip at the end, or like after this.
Alright guys, so they have been done actually. The bottoms are fully clean. There's still some bubbles or whatever. But yeah, no, we're gonna go to the midsole next. There's like staining almost. It's like brown staining from all the dirt. I know, again, I have so many lights in my room right now just to film this that it looks crystal clear, and I probably could even just like tie back the shoes and be like, boom, they're restored. They're definitely not. I'm gonna clean the midsole. I'll show some like close-ups. I'm gonna switch up like the camera angles and stuff. So yeah, 3, 2, 1, let's get into it. People, so I took out the insoles. This is gonna be the next thing. If you can't tell, yes, I wear these shoes. I don't just buy shoes, dirty them up, and then do it. These were my beaters. So yeah, I'm going to clean these. So yeah. I basically finished it. They look fine. I mean, I don't really know. They're my insoles, so I don't really care if my foot has been in them, so I barely scrub these with like a regular worn pair of shoes, I would recommend like literally just trying to get it either really clean or just buy new insoles. They're like $9 at CVS. It's super easy and you can just replace them. But yes, I clean these. Again, my foot has been in my shoes, so I don't really care. So I will go back, take off all the, I'm gonna take out all the creases. Alright, so I did it and it fixed this one, so I'm just gonna do it till I fix both creases. It did fix this crease though, basically. So yeah, I'll just finish the toe box and then get to the ankle part, because I just showed you how to do it. So yeah, now we're trying to do the ankle, which is basically where you just cover up the ankle like that, and then take the heater. You have to put your hand like this. I know it sounds bad, but don't, and then just make sure everything's good. Like, do it on the other side. Like, with this one, you really shouldn't worry about it. I mean, with ankle creases, these will always happen. Also with toe creases, unless you just float, which is fine with me. But, yeah. I mean, everything's looking fine. So yeah, now I'm gonna clean the laces. Just a little stuff. Basically, we went through everything. I'm now gonna clean up the shoe just a little bit more. I'll tell you what I did after. But yeah, I'm gonna also, if I'm like doing retouches and stuff like that, repainting, I'll show that also. In a little bit, a video will be a Jordan 3 white cements that I got for $45 or $55. That I got off GOAT, so they're gonna be legit. 2011s. So yeah, this is from 2016 actually. So yeah, I'm gonna clean these a little bit more, make them a little bit more presentable. So yeah, 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, so I've basically finished everything. This is the dirty shoe compare. Like, yeah. Then this is the brand new, like, not brand new obviously, but this is the clean shoe. Obviously the soles are a little yellow. I could have gotten like salon stuff. Yeah, I didn't want to. These are just gonna be beaters. I'm probably just gonna either sell them because they're getting a little too small. And yeah, I mean, everything's basically good now. Everything's cleaned. Compared to this, obviously, it's much better. So yeah. And holy crap, that is a lot more heel drag. So yeah, thanks guys for watching, and yeah.